All right, so we're doing something a little bit different. We're going to be looking at this house with my camera strapped to my chest. Usually I'm holding the phone, but I figured this will give me a little bit more control over my hands. All right, so let's go. Yeah, it's quite a high step coming in here. All right, so this is the living room we got going on here. Fireplace right here. Here's a fan. Let's see, you can turn the lights on. And there's a guy who's jogging with some headphones on. So that's always nice. All right, so then come in over here. This is the dining area. It's a decent size. Look at that. It's a decent sized dining area. So this is the kitchen. And this is pretty big. Don't you think? And even though it's not an eat-in kitchen, it can be because you got all of this space right here, and we'll check out the deck in a minute. Countertops, not the best, but it's not bad. This dishwasher looks like it's newer. Still has the plastic on it, so that's definitely newer. Fridge is a bit of an older fridge, but it's clean. So it's not too bad. And then cabinetry is, I like that it's like they put some laminate or something down in there, so it makes it more appealing. Okay. Cereal box test. It has been owned. Yeah, this is a little bit broken, but yeah, you can put all kinds of stuff in here. That's a pretty cool pantry. And then next to it, there's another door with even more space. So it's like a little double pantry. That's cool. Okay. Yeah, it's nice. It's not bad so far. And the stove is gas. I do like gas. Good old hot point. Plenty of places to put your things. Here's the baby. We always got to show the baby. Hey, Amber, look how she's smiling. She knows she's on YouTube. Let me give her pacifier. Hey, there you go. You want it? Okay, awesome. Over on this side, right off the kitchen. Oh, cool. This is the laundry area right here. Put that right there. And I believe this is, it's 2.5 bathrooms. This is the garage. Let's go in here and see what's cracking. I mean, I don't really have to. It's just a garage. 2-car garage. You got a little bit of space back down this way. But yeah, just a regular old garage. Cool. All right, let's keep it moving. Now we get to go, we're gonna go in the backyard. So this is the backyard. It's got a little chain link fence. It's not bad. It's a pretty high chain link fence. And we got all these trees here. Man, this is really close to the house, but it's a nice sized deck. And it's really a decent sized yard. I mean, you got a lot of trees, but it's a lot of space. But it is a pretty cool, this is a pretty decent backyard. And like I said, you can put a lot of different things right here out here on the deck. Yeah. And we got some electrical outlets so we can plug stuff up, or a radio or something. The alarm system right there. What's this do? All right, so this turns on a light that's upstairs. I believe it's wood all over this house. So the wood here is different than downstairs. It's a bit of a darker wood. Let's make a right, and this, I guess, is the master bedroom. This is a master bedroom. I kind of like this little window that's like right there. Just to let a little bit of light in. It's a bit different. Oh, my wife's gonna love this. Look at that closet. Yeah, it's got a window in here, but she is gonna love this closet. Definitely. And then this bathroom, I kind of like this. It's double doors. Check out that closet. Which that reaction is going to be. Look at that. It's deep, isn't it? It's huge closet. So this is the bathroom, double sinks. This is pretty cool. I like this. It's a jacuzzi tub. It's a jacuzzi tub, double sinks, and toilets over here. And there's a shower right here, a stand-up shower. It's a little dedicated small stand-up shower. Yeah, it's pretty nice. All right, let's come out of here. Got the hallway closet, filters, and then this is the second bedroom. This is a decent sized bedroom, you know, and again, for me, this would be a kind of a cool place to set up like some collectibles, like right here and right there. And you can put some stuff right there. And it's a, you know, closet is, you know, pretty standard, but the room itself is pretty big, I think. And here's the other bedroom. Oh, check it out. There's a remote control, so we can turn the light on and off. High, medium, and low for the fan. Pretty cool. So this is also a pretty decent sized room. You know, there's your closet. Here's the view. The baby's crying, can you hear her? Usually when we come out here, she's usually sleeping, but not today. But yeah, this is a pretty decent room. And then there's one more thing to see here, and that's the bathroom. And it's a pretty standard bathroom. You know, like I said, I don't care for this design because it just makes it look like it looks dirt. It looks like dirtiness, but it's not. Don't know why the shower curtain is here, but you know, it's a bathtub, nothing special. You know, you've seen a lot of them, seen them all before. But yeah, that's pretty much the house. You know, it's not a bad little house. You know, not really a dedicated space to do recordings and stuff like I would like, but at least that room is big enough to be comfortable to try to pull something like that off. So yeah, that's cool. This is the only place that I've seen for today. Oh no! Oh, check it out. Cable ready. Cool. So you can automatically have your cable ready. But that's it. The move is still probably about a month and a half away. So this place may not even be available by the time we're ready to do something about it. But it was cool to look at, and we'll keep looking. So everybody, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.